Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ecommerceplatforms.com. My name is Tudor and today's video will show you how to launch your own Wix e-commerce store using a simple step-by-step approach. To make things easier for you, we've divided the video into a few sections. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of the future videos. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to sign up for a free Wix account. You can do this by clicking the link provided in the video description, which will take you to a special Wix landing page. Once there, all you need to do is enter your email address and sign up using your preferred method. Once you've signed up for a free Wix account, the platform will offer an optional onboarding wizard. Although you can choose to skip this step, we highly recommend taking the time to complete it. During this process, you'll be prompted to enter basic information about your store, such as the industry you operate in and the products you plan to sell. You can also select a basic template, theme colors, and the features you need on your online store. By providing this information, Wix will be able to prepare a personalized store and dashboard for you. So take advantage of this onboarding process to ensure that your store is tailored to your needs. After you've completed the onboarding process, Wix will generate a list of next steps for you. Simply follow the steps to ensure a smooth launch of your new online store. Now it's time to start adding products to your Wix e-commerce store, and this is where the fun begins. If your demo store came with preloaded products, feel free to ignore this for now and start by adding a new product. Simply click on New Products and select the type of product you want to sell, whether physical or digital. Start by giving your product a catchy title and adding high-quality product images and videos. Next, add some basic information such as the product name, a ribbon and description. Wix allows you to add info sections directly from the backend, so feel free to include these as well. Next, add the pricing information. Wix allows you to add both percentage and amount discounts, so choose the option that works best for you. You can also collect custom text from your customers directly on Wix, which could be used for gift messages, personal engravings, or other use cases. If you have variants for your products, such as different sizes or colors, you can make use of the Product Options feature. In addition to these features, you can also enable pre-orders and subscriptions for your products natively on Wix. After adding all the necessary product details, select your sales channels and add your product category. You can also edit your marketing and SEO settings directly from the platform. Lastly, add your fulfillment and brand details. Once you've completed all the required fields, click Save and your first product is now live and ready for customers to discover on your new Wix e-commerce store. In step number 5, you'll need to set up payment gateways for your Wix store. You can connect various payment options such as debit cards, credit cards, PayPal, and manual payments. If you opt for cards, Wix payments could be a good choice. However, please note that Wix payments may not be available for the industries displayed on the screen. You can use other providers in this case. Once you've selected your payment provider, choose the payment method you'd like to offer. And if you're using Wix payments, be sure to complete the setup by filling out a simple registration form. Let's move on to the next step, which is setting up shipping and delivery for your Wix store. Wix automatically creates domestic and international regions for you, but you can also add new regions by selecting the shipping country and assigning a shipping fee. Once you've done that, you can add your shipping options and provide details for each option. don't forget to add a handling fee if necessary. If you offer local deliveries, you can set up this too. Just give a specific name, set a delivery rate, and define the area by radius or zip codes. Finally, add your store address, delivery time slots, and cutoff time. Similarly, you can also set up pickups by assigning a name, adding your store address, and providing pickup instructions. It's time to let your creativity flourish and design your website. Based on the template you selected in the onboarding process, Wix automatically creates a store design for you. However, you have complete control over customizing your website using the easy drag-and-drop interface. You can change the color scheme, add new sections, and tweak the design to your preference. Don't be afraid to experiment and play around with different colors and designs until you're happy with the final result. Once you get there, simply save your changes and your website is ready to go live. In order to give your store a more professional look, the next step is to connect a custom domain. Simply enter your desired domain name and Wix will display all the available extensions. Continue with the process, select your registration period, and complete the checkout process to finalize the connection. Finally, the last step is setting up the SEO settings for your e-commerce store so it can be easily found on Google and other search engines. Wix makes this process a breeze by asking you some simple questions and then doing most of the work for you. By analyzing your answers and your website, Wix creates a detailed yet simple-to-follow checklist for search engine optimization. By completing these tasks, your store will be well prepared to get some organic traffic. And that's it, your very own Wix online store in just 9 simple steps. By following these easy instructions, you can have your store up and running in no time. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Also, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, see you next time.